In life, to be truly extraordinary, you must cultivate an extraordinary mindset. This means living in an extraordinary state, where you condition your nervous system, body, and focus to be at their best. But why don't more people do this? It's not because they can't, it's because of their standards. Your standards dictate your life. Think about your own journey. You've likely experienced moments when you raised your standards, and that led to significant changes in your life. See, we live in alignment with who we believe we are. My personal journey was a lonely one. I was willing to admit when I was wrong so I could grow and change. Growth happens when we drop bad habits, change our priorities, and embrace new ways of thinking. It's about asking ourselves tough questions and being open to feedback. People who don't grow are those who are unwilling to ask themselves hard questions, leave their comfort zones, or admit when they're wrong. They cling to being right and, ironically, end up with the wrong outcomes. Our brains are wired to find what we're looking for. If you focus on negativity, setbacks, and being overlooked, that's what you'll find, even when it's not supposed to be there. But if you look for victory, personal growth, and magical moments, you'll find those too. So let your brain work for you. When you condition it, it will find a way to achieve your goals. The preparation for success begins in the mind. Your body's capabilities have limits, but your mind is limitless. We often focus on our physical health, but mental readiness is the key to success. If you're not mentally prepared, you'll never be fully physically prepared. The journey to success is a mental game that requires discipline, self-belief, and a strong sense of purpose. What if you decided not to let fear stop you? You must do whatever it takes, because if you don't, life will defeat you. In your pursuit of success, remember that failure is an integral part of the journey. You'll stumble, fall, and face bad breaks. But this is the moment when your big break is about to happen. Resilience is the key. Your competitive edge depends on your unwavering attitude and the ability to persist through life's challenges. Never give up, even when the path to success seems unclear. It's the relentless attitude that sets you apart and propels you towards your dreams.